Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Learning Math Skills with Kashif. So today I'm here with the second lecture of the series topic, that is volume. In the previous lecture, in the lecture number 1 of the topic volume, you learned about how to find the volume of a cube and cuboid and what is the difference between cube and cuboid. So as you know now, the cube is basically, if you look at the cube, what shape is this one? That is a square. Square has all 4 equal sides. So now this is your cube, and cube has all length, width and height is same, and that is the square base. That is square base of a cube. That is called base, right? And what is the base of cube? That is square. Square means all sides are equal. Similarly, if I make a cuboid, that is a rectangle, right? And if I convert this into cuboid, so that is a cuboid, right? Cuboid, we have the different length, breadth and width, but the base of the cuboid, that is of shape rectangle. That is the shape of rectangle, right? So what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is length into length into length, and volume of cuboid is, that is V is equal to, and volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, right? So what is the base? Base of a cuboid is a rectangle, and rectangle, the area of a rectangle is length into breadth, means we can say that is a base area into height, means we can calculate the volume if base area is given to you and height is given to you, right? Similarly, in the square we have the base area is square, and how you can find the area of a square? That is length into length, that is the area of a square. So similarly, we use now in the coming questions, the volume is equal to base area into height. Okay, now one more thing you remember, that when you are going to find the volume, that comes in liters and centimeter cube or liters. When we are liquid shape, when liquid material is there and you have to find the volume, then we said that is in liters and milliliters. So keep one thing in you, remember that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Otherwise you can say 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, right? So now we solve some questions with the from your textbook or workbook to find the area or the base area or the questions regarding capacity. So let's start some questions from your workbook. So now I draw some questions from your workbook. If you look at the board, that now we will use the formula that is given to you, that is volume is equal to base area into height. So a cuboid is given to you, right? In that the volume is given, that is 360 meter cube, and the base area is given to you, that is 60 meter square. So what is the unknown thing? Unknown thing is length, or you can say that it's height of the cuboid. So here we have volume is equal to base area into height, and here the one unknown thing is, that is height. So what will we do? We will do volume divided by base area, means volume divided by base area. In short, I write B dot A. So what is your volume? Your volume is 360, and what is your base area? That is your base area 60. So by dividing, you can get the unknown height or unknown length of the cuboid. You can cancel it very easily. Your answer is 6 meter, right? Similarly, if you look at the next question, what is given to you? The volume is given to you, the base area is given to you, and you have to find the unknown height. So again, we will use the same formula. Unknown height is equal to volume over base area. So what is volume? Volume is 224 centimeter cube, and what is area? That is 28. So by dividing you can get your answer, and that answer is your unknown length. So you can divide, you can make a long division, or you can simplify, divide it. 8 8s are 64. It can be divided at 8. You can divide by the 2, then again 2, then again 2, or you can get your answer by long division. So your answer is 8 centimeter. So now come to the next question. In this question, the volume is 1920 and the length is given to you. Now in this question, you are going to find base area. What you are going to find? You are going to find base area. So similarly, the formula is volume is equal to base area into height. When you are going to find the height, you will divide volume with the base area. Now the unknown value is base area, means you have to find the base area. So volume divided by length or height, unknown height, sorry, known height, base area is unknown. So what is your volume? Your volume is 1920, and your unknown, sorry, again I say unknown, that is known. The known length is, known height is, that is 16. So by division you will get your base area. You will get your base area. So you can divide it by 16 by the table of 2, 3, 4. 16 ones are 16, 3 remainders, 16 twos are 32, and then 0. So your answer is 120 meter square. The area of a unit is always square. Either it is millimeter square, meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, and the unit of volume is always in cube, right? So now come to the last question which I written. In this question, the shape is cuboid. Cuboid means it has the square base. It has the square base. So the volume is given to you, that is 972. What is the volume is given to you? That is 972 meter cube, right? I write here square, that's not square, that is a cube. And the unknown, sorry, again I say unknown, that is known. The height is given to you, that is 12 meter. So if I want to find base area, what will you do? You will, base area is equal to volume divided by height. So what is your volume? Your volume is 972 divided by height, given height, that is 12. So what is your base area? Your base area is, you can find 12 8s are 96 and 12 1s are 12, and the unit of area is square. So 81 meter square, that is the base area of a square base. The question is that you find the length of this base, means what is the length of this base. So we have to find its length of the square base. So what will be the length of the square base? What is, how you can find the area of a square? You can find the area of square by area of square, that is length into length, because the both, all four sides are same. If it is 4, it is 4. So what will be the area? That is 16 centimeter or meter square. Okay. So similarly, that is 81 meter square. So it means length of a square base. What will be your answer? Length of square base. So with which number you multiply the same number, that comes 81? Simply 9 nines are 81. So your length of the square base, that is 9 meter. So I hope you understand how you find the unknown height if base area is given to you, how you find the base area if unknown height is given to you. So let's move to the some more questions. So I write some more questions for you from your workbook. The previous questions which we did at the board, that is from your workbook, page number 53, 54 and 55, and similar questions from your textbook you can also do practice at your home. So you have to practice. So look at some more questions, that is from page number 56. The volume of this shape is given to you and the height is given to you, and you are going to find the length of square base. Keep this mind, that is the length of this base area, that is square. So first we have to find the base area. So what will be the base area? As you know, base area is equal to volume over unknown height, and your volume is 2025 and your height is 9. So you can divide it. 9 2s are 18, 4 carry 2 carry 22, 9 2s are at 18, and then 45, 9 5s are 45. Base area is always in squares. So now again that base area is in square. So how can you find the length of a square? It means you have to find in this way. You find the square root. You can find the square root if you are in weak in mental calculation. Otherwise you can get your answer, that is 15 15s are 2 to 5. You must learn 1 till 20 squares, means 2 square of 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. Similarly 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are, that is 144, 13 13s are 169, 14 14s are, that is 196, and 15 15s are 2 to 5, 16 16s are 256, and 17 17s are 289, 18 18s are 324, 19 19s are 361, and 20 20s are 400. So if you remember this table of square, then your calculation is very easy. Means now you no need to calculate. You simply you will write the length of side is square base, that is 15 centimeter. In other case you can find its square root, and you can know how to find the square root by making factorization. At which table it comes? Table of 5. So 45, again table of 5, that is 9, and 3 3s are 3, 1s are 4. So your factors are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and in this way you can calculate by the square root, right? So now come to the next question. In this question the capacity is given to you, that is 40 liters. Height is given to you, that is 80 centimeter. You are going to find the base area, means again we have to divide, but first we have to find its volume. Its volume is not given this question. The given thing in this question, that is capacity. If you look here, I told you earlier that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So what will be its value? Its volume, that is 40 multiplied by 1000. What it comes? It comes 40,000. Means the volume of this given value, that is 40,000 centimeter cube. Now liters convert into centimeter cube. Clear? So now what is height is given to you? The height is given to you 80. So how can you find your base area? You can find your base area by dividing volume divided by height, that is 80. 0 cuts with 0, and 8 5s are 2 zeros are here. So your base area is 500 centimeter square. Clear? So next question, question number 9. That's very easy. Length is given to you, breadth is given to you, volume is given to you, and you have to find the height. As you did in the previous lecture, lecture number 1, how can you find the unknown? What is unknown? Height is unknown. So simply volume divided by length into breadth. You can write here volume divided by base area, because area is length into breadth. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy and learn how to find the unknown height if the base area is of a cube or cuboid is given to you. So inshallah in the next lecture we will do some more words problem from your textbook and your workbook. So do practice these questions which we did today, or from the pages that your workbook and book. And at the end, share, subscribe and like my channel Learning Math Skills with Kashif. Assalamu alaikum. So stay tuned.